Good morning, Ram fam, and welcome to this week's edition of the Saturday Spark, where I hopefully can give you a little training inspiration for your Saturday morning meeting. Well, here we are, last weekend of the month, and you know how we conduct end of the month meetings. We keep them positive and focus on will help you sell a few more cars between now and the close. This month, we focused on the statistical performance of our teams as well as us as individuals. This allowed us not only to set realistic goals, but also the tasks everyone needs to accomplish every day to achieve that goal and the specific milestones we can manage to. This is about setting expectations and making sure that everyone around you meets them. If team members haven't met their goals yet, make sure they know what to do over the next 3 days to hit it. Next, I want you working on hooking the trade. And if you aren't using it on every communication, what are you waiting for? Do you like going to the auction for cars? Get on this now. And at the end of this meeting, I expect all of you to simulate the hook. Practice on yourselves, not customers. Finally, let's make these appointments sticky. We want customers showing up, not just check box in the CRM. That does no one any good. There are 3 things I want you to focus on this weekend to make your appointments sticky, because we want shows. Because when they show, you close them 70, 80, 90% of the time. So we're going to hook the trade, get them excited for their car because we want their car and our appraisers paying top dollars. Number 2, we're selling the sizzle, not only on the vehicle, but on the dealership. You offer free loaners, oil change, roadside assistance, whatever it is, you need to separate yourself from the competition. And finally, number 3, let the customer know clearly your value their time when they are at the store by getting that car gassed, cleaned up, out front, and ready for the best test drive of their lives with the Texas Yes. Creating excitement around their trade, your dealership, and the test drive, all the while letting the customer know you value their time. Make sticky appointments that show up. Put these tactics and word tracks to use. Add this to your meeting this morning or share it with your team. Get out there and crush it. Let's close February strong.